at Bowling Green for the first race of the year. You know what? I don't vent much, but it kind of pissed me off. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are at Bowling Green for the first race of the year. I was here for the last race, and now we're here for the first race. And what's wrong, man?
It tastes like grapefruit.
New flavor?
What's it? What's the flavor called?
Ultra Fiesta.
So, guys, Ultra Fiesta, don't do it.
Grapefruit.
Guys, I don't know how bad the wind noise is going to be. I'm using the GoPro for that reason because it seems to help do a lot better. We got Foxcast over there. Of course, we got Xander. He's not running his car today. We got Foxcast Media. And we got Philip putting the E in. Philip, who you got over here tuning?
Well, we got the man, Darryl Wingard himself.
Darryl's over here.
Extra sauce tune in there. Darryl who?
Darryl Wingard.
Hey, look, Winger's car is going to show you Palm Beach.
He said Lund. No, negative, buddy. Nothing against Lund. I have, if you caught my last video, I have 26-inch tall tires on the car. We're gonna see how it does. I do have an updated tune from Darryl, but it is not in the car yet. It's in the N-Gauge, but not in the car yet. And the reason being is that I wanna see how the car picks up on this. I'm gonna check the DA here in a minute. I imagine it's higher than I ran in Jake's. That's gonna affect it a little bit, but I do have an updated tune that's gonna make the car quicker than what it was there. But we're gonna see what it does on these before we go to that tune. Real quick, speaking of Darryl went and picked this up last week. It is a 2018, Darryl, 2018?
Yeah.
2018, it's a Performance Pack 1 car, and it is a base car. It's a base Performance Pack 1, and so a 300A Performance Pack 1 car. And guys, he's got his wheels and tires on the back off of his 15, which has quite a bit more horsepower in his car. You know, instead of going and buying more wheels and tires, he's just pretty much running these. They're 315, 50, 17, so like a 29 and a half inch tall tire. So it's a little big for what he's running, but he does have the 355s from the Performance Pack 1. So we're interested to see how it would do. I usually run a 305, 45, 17 on my car, which is a 28 inch. And I ran 740s in it. So we're interested to see what this thing can do. And he has the stock PP1 front wheels instead of front runner. So I'm interested to see how it's going to do. I think we're going to try to get a run in today with this car. But yeah, it's a clean car, guys. I'm glad he got this. He's pretty much, this is his R&D car. He's going to run it NA for a while, see what he can get out of it, and then he does have plans to go force induction and stuff like that. It's pretty much his R&D car for tuning. I'm glad he got it because it's going to help him out with a lot of things, and he absolutely loves the 10R80, and I'm looking forward to see what he can do with this. So me and Darryl was just talking, and the new tune that I've got to go in my car is the tune. Basically what he done is put my tune in this car and tweaked it to his liking. He said it's really aggressive, and if I want the car to go quicker today in my car, I can jump to the other tune. We will see how it goes. If those tires will hold it, I'll run it, and we'll see how it goes today.
It's got a little more timing too, and it should 60 foot better. The timing comes in sooner again.
Oh,
and I've been testing out on my car, and it's been loving it. So
oh my Lord, yes. And the good thing about you have an R&D car now is that you can tweak this and play with it and do everything you want, and then pass on the stuff to me.
Yeah, everything goes through this one. Everything is tested on here, and then it goes to customers' cars after this one.
If you want to use this tuning, Wingard Performance, I'll put a link to everything down in the description. You can hit them up on Facebook also. And I used to say Wingard Motorsports all the time. I've gotten a lot better. But yeah, y'all can go check him out. All right, guys, we're gonna go get in line. As you can tell, it is a long line. Foxcast is up there. We was gonna go film his run for him, but we figured out that we need to get in line. So, we got Darryl over here. We got Philip behind us. We're gonna go pull up and get in line, and that's a long line, so we're gonna get up and be waiting for a while. All right, guys, we are starting to move like an hour later. This is the only thing I hate about opening days at a big track is that this is a problem. The tracks I usually run at are smaller tracks and you get a lot more runs in, but it is what it is. Go ahead and start logging. Let's roll. Guys, I don't know what that was about. I'm not sure what we did, guys. The car did something stupid during the burnout. Not sure what, but the car felt good going down the track. We're gonna let Darryl look at the log, and we do have another tune to try. Basically today, we're just trying to see what we can get. The DA's 1,050 something. Earlier, I'll look right after I'm done with this race because it's been rising. We ran in Jake's at 200. The last time we was here, we ran in negative 200. Depends on how my 60 foot done is how the car done. So a 188.60, so I didn't quite good as 60s I did last time. 7.6 at 96 was my 8th, so I didn't run the 7.4 that I ran last time. And I run 11.68 at 120. So there you have it, guys. Are going to, if we get one more run, that'd be good. I'm hoping for multiple runs, but what we're going to do now is we're going to exit gauges and we're going to go into tuning, low tune. We're going to go over to the new tune. That's not that, that's not that, that's not that. That's it. Flash the tune. We're going to have the tune flash, and then we're going to, yes, go for it. We're going to see what it'll run. All right, hold on, guys. Can he launch it? Oh, he pulled the tire!
You need to race that Hellcat now.
He got it! So me and Darryl was just talking. I flashed a new tune in, and that's the exact tune that you're running, but you got a 29-inch tall tire, but you do have 355s.
Yeah, 355. No front runners.
I honestly, you know, I did this to kind of see, and, and people wanted me to. I honestly didn't think I was going to pick up much because Stain Mode did the same thing and he didn't pick up much.
James,
by going from 26 to 28, you're picking up maybe a little.
Yeah. You probably won't ever even notice it.
Exactly. So
it can run from pass to pass. You know what we should do sometime, just to see if we can rent the track like we talked about. We should take weight out of them, run it, put the, you know, do back-to-back tires.
If we ever do a track rental, like a private track rental with like 4 to 8 people, I'll bring tools and everything, and I'll bring 28-inch tall tires, 26-inch tall tires. I'll bring tools to take the seats out. I'll do everything on the same day with the same amount of cool down time, and we will actually see exactly what everything picks up and doesn't pick up, and kind of just see.
Yeah, we're still running air filters. We know some of those guys like to get those glory runs with no
air filters. And
whether
negative
it makes
DA.
a difference or not, I don't know. But yeah, and a negative DA. But we're running 100% full weight cars. As stock as they could be, minus the E85 in a tune. But you know, and your catback exhaust, which obviously doesn't gain anything.
No.
2 hours later.
All right, so guys, I got to make one pass. This has never happened to me in the whole time that I have drag raced. Essentially what happened was they were letting the drag cars run multiple times compared to the street cars. There were hundreds of street cars out here. At $20 a piece to get in, there were fewer bikes and fewer drag cars, and they got to run 6 times today. Somebody told me they ran 6 times to R1. Guys, that's a little unfair. I don't appreciate that. If somebody from the track's watching this, I don't appreciate it. You took my money, you took all these guys' money, and you let us run once compared. Now, if everybody would have got one pass, the drag cars, the bikes, street cars and got 1 pass because it was so packed?
They got 5.
5? Okay, I was told 6. Okay, so 4 to 6. Let's just say 4 to 6 compared to R1. If everybody would have got 1 pass because they were so packed, like the drag cars, the street cars, the bikes, all that would have got 1 pass, I'd have been fine with it.
We weren't very organized at all about it.
No,
It was
and they should not have let the drag cars run more than the street cars.
So many times.
And I understand the
They were coming
reasoning.
around us running.
Yeah, I understand the reasoning, but still, it's unfair. But hey, you know what? It is what it is. I'm not pleased. There was a couple of guys that were commenting throughout the pits about it. They were not pleased. They were upset about it. If I would have known that when I made my last pass at what, 2? It was like 2 something, 3 something.
It was 2:30.
If I would have known that, I would have left.
Yeah.
I would have left, went and got a good meal, chilled with my friends, and had a blast. I'm venting a little bit, guys, and I don't do that on my channel. So,
Everybody's pissed about it.
1 pass compared to drag cars.
Talking about there, the guy, the owner over there,
Yeah.
saying that basically, you know, like, hey, I can't help when somebody blows up. He's right, you know, and it is what it is. It sucks, you know, because Zach, you know, down south racing, he's over there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you saw him today.
No, I did not see him.
Yeah. Anyway, so they drove like 3.5 hours, and it's unfortunate, but I understand both sides.
Yeah, well, they
I understand.
What I don't understand is bikes running 5 times.
That's
and then the
When you
drag
only go
cars
once.
run 4.
that's
You
my
go right back in line. It's not like
exactly.
you waited.
I understand somebody blew up on the track
Yeah.
and oiled down the track. I understand that completely, and I hold nothing against the track for that. But if they would have let everybody run equal, everybody would have got at least 2 to 3 passes in, and I'd have been pleased
They
with
just
that.
need to organize
Exactly.
better next. Right.
But it is what it is.
okay.
Guys, you know what? I don't vent much, but it kind of pissed me off. So,
Yeah, that's what
so this race is gonna happen. This race is gonna happen. Probably happen at Jackson or Holly Springs or Jake's, whichever track's open the next time. I'm gonna get some 28-inch tall tires. Guys, we're gonna do the test with this again, but I'm gonna do the test the same day. I don't think I'm picking up hardly anything, and I kind of said that, kind of hinted around that in my last video. We're gonna see. These cars kind of perform well. I mean, today we ran close times, and he has 29 and I had 26, and we ran really close at the same time. I got an 11.6 with a 7.6, so not my best 8th mile time. If my 8th mile time would have been better, we would have had a better quarter mile time, but I'm pleased with the 11.6. I'll be back at the quarter mile somewhere, don't know where, but I'll be back at a quarter mile somewhere to get you a quarter mile time. Of course, you'll know with the 8th mile tracks around me always open, I'll be there also. We actually flashed in a tune that's even quicker than what I was running. A little more timing down low, a little more up top. All right, guys, so we're gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, oh, hold on 1 second. I don't know how bad this wind noise is. I don't know. My whole video is gonna be me venting. My whole video is me venting. I get 1 pass. You didn't get no pass.
I'm hot wherever. I hope you blast everybody at this
So
point.
guys, basically, you know, and I said that I was talking about this a while ago. I've been at other tracks where they let the drag cars run more than street cars.
Yeah.
But if you're on a tire, on a drag tire, a radial or a slick, you can run with those guys.
See, that's what
And I
the
asked
issue
that.
was.
I asked that.
Yeah.
And they said no.
You're kidding me.
I went and asked, and they said
People were
no.
just going.
Yeah. We should have.
Listen, boys, if my car would have been in the lines, it'd be a whole lot different story right now. But I feel bad for these guys. Who was the Camaro running?
We got 1 pass. The drag cars.
They got none.
The drag cars and the bikes got 5 to 6 passes.
Unreal.
Yeah.
I will say personally, this is the worst experience, and I have a lot of bad experiences everywhere. Like I get crappy service always, food's never warm, people spit in my food probably, air in my food. Anyways, but this is the worst service I've ever had anywhere. To pay $20 to try to run,
I would
tell them I
honestly,
didn't run.
I'm gonna cut out a piece of
Yeah,
blacktop.
second car in
How
line
much
to go.
blacktop you think's
No, we
worth
gotta run these
$20?
drag cars.
Yeah, but you know, I understand somebody blowing up and shutting down the track. I understand that. But the problem is when you let a group of cars run multiple times and you keep the street cars at bay. I understand because of prep and everything, but here's the problem. We pay just like they pay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, if the cars today,
They would've made no money.
They would have made an eighth of what they made.
Yes, we quadrupled the drag cars.
Oh, absolutely.
And they did not let us run. And more, if they would let us run more, everybody would have got more passes. Everybody been happy, even with the oil down.
Did you see that on back?
Hey, look. I was heated.
Oh, I know. Guys, if you don't know who this is Zach from Down South Racing. Is this your car?
Yep.
He brought twin turbo.
Yep.
If you're not watching this channel, go check it out. Twin turbo S550 6R80.
Yep. Well,
got
right now it's a 3R80.
3R80. There you go. Go check his channel out, guys. This thing is gonna be nasty. All right, guys. So we're gonna get out of here. It is what it is. We'll try it again, hopefully sometime soon, and we'll see. Anyway, I'm happy we did 11.6. Like I said, it wasn't my fastest 8th mile that I run, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm happy with that. 1100 DA and 11.6, not too shabby. Tune and catback pretty much entire. So, guys, we will see you guys next time. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you have not, and we will see you next time.